Uphold is a versatile digital wallet and financial platform designed to make managing money simple, especially for beginners. One of its best features is the ability to hold multiple types of assets in one account. Users can store and manage US dollars, euros, pounds, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as precious metals such as gold and silver. This eliminates the need for multiple accounts across different platforms, giving a clear overview of all holdings in one place. Another standout feature is Uphold's easy-to-use interface. Transactions are straightforward, and the platform provides real-time updates on balances and market values. Beginners will appreciate the clean layout and intuitive navigation, making it easy to buy, sell, or transfer assets without confusion. Uphold also supports instant transfers between users, allowing funds to be sent quickly and securely. Uphold's automatic conversion feature is particularly useful for beginners dealing with multiple currencies. When transferring funds internationally or converting between crypto and fiat, the platform handles conversions seamlessly, displaying exact amounts before confirming transactions. This transparency eliminates surprises and helps users make informed decisions. Security is a major focus, and Uphold provides two-factor authentication, biometric login, and encryption protocols that ensure funds and personal information are well protected. Users can also set spending limits and monitor activity, adding an extra layer of control over finances. The platform also supports recurring purchases for those looking to gradually build holdings in crypto or other assets. This feature simplifies investment strategies by automating regular contributions. Fees are competitive, clearly displayed, and easy to understand, which is essential for beginners avoiding hidden costs. Overall, Uphold combines flexibility, security, and simplicity, making it ideal for anyone starting with digital wallets, currency management, or cryptocurrency investment. Beginners can comfortably explore the platform's features while maintaining control and confidence over their money.